Here at Arizona Hardwood Floor Supply, we constantly strive to bring you the best in hardwood flooring trends. We are happy to introduce to you the birth of our Inova Plank Collection. We teamed up with a family mill here in the United States to bring you a full line of creativity. Here we are watching American white oak blanks being cut down to 2.5 millimeter veneers to be the top layer of our half-inch engineered plank. The sky's the limit for color options, as the white oak planks will be unfinished, waiting for your choice of color options to be applied on site after the installation. We will be showcasing 12 custom colors we have developed through wax oil finishes and chemical treatments. Don't like ours? Choose your own. With Rubio Monocoat, we have unlimited color options available to you. This will be the first installment of the Inova Plank series. Stay tuned for more.